In this video, we'll demonstrate how to mix Belzona 1511 by weight. Belzona 1511 should only be mixed by weight and strictly in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions for use. The mixing ratio of Belzona 1511 is 5 parts base to 1 part solidifier by weight. To get started, remove the cap of Belzona 1511 base. Measure the right amount of Belzona 1511 base, 165 grams in this demonstration, and place the measured material onto the mixing board, positioned on the scale. Then, measure the right amount of Belzona 1511 solidifier, 33 grams in this demonstration. Use the scale to verify the correct ratio and place it on the mixing board. Mix both components thoroughly to achieve uniform color and consistency. Once the material is mixed, spread it into a thin layer to maximize the working life. It is now ready for the application on clarifiers, engines and pump casings, heat exchangers, pipes, process vessels.